Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so the update can proceed without interruption. First, plug the phone in or ensure battery is at least 50%. This prevents shutdown during installation. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because large packages will download faster and avoid mobile data fees. Finally, clear about 2 to 4 gigabytes of storage, delete or offload big files so the installer can unpack. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Software Update to start the process immediately. You now execute the core steps. Tap Settings, choose Software Update, then download and install. The phone will check for a package, show the update size and an estimated time. This helps you decide when to start. If prompted, accept permissions and enable automatic restart so the device can finish installation unattended. While downloading and installing, keep Wi-Fi connected and avoid closing settings. Interruptions can corrupt updates. Once the download completes, the device will reboot and apply changes, so be ready for a brief wait. You finish by confirming the update took. Open Settings, About Phone, and check the build number and security patch date. If the device freezes or remains on a boot loop, perform a soft reset. Hold power for about 10 to 20 seconds to restart and try the update again. If downloads repeatedly fail, use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC to install the firmware, because wired updates avoid Wi-Fi issues. And if problems persist, contact Samsung support or a service center for diagnostics and safe recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.